Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this Audi A5. So from any screen, you've got telephone there. You've got, here it's come up, there's no phones connected, so it's got search for new mobile and settings at the bottom. The bottom right hand corner instruction corresponds to this right hand switch there. Telephone settings and Bluetooth. Navigate to Bluetooth, click in the center. Got Bluetooth discoverability, Bluetooth audio player, find Bluetooth devices, bonded Bluetooth devices. That's what we want, so we click the center and it's got my phone there, Barry's iPhone 10. If I click on that, it gives me the option to delete it, delete Bluetooth device, or connect as hands-free or audio player. So delete Bluetooth device. Do you really want to delete it? Yes, I do. Click again, just so you don't accidentally delete it. The Bluetooth device has been deleted.